Hey guys, welcome. Today is the 1st of September. It's currently 5:02. Today I wrote my LO exam, my final LO exam for CAT, and yeah, I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know. It felt good. It felt good. And then Chronicles of today, we got our invitations. Literally, it had like the thing. I don't know what it's called, but like it's that thing that you see on like TikTok where you burn it and then it kind of opens up, because you can see here like on these edges like it still has it, like it didn't completely burn up, and then it has like some pieces of ash, and then it basically tells us like the details of MD. So now everything is getting real. Everything is getting so real. Anyways, and then when I came back home, I found out that my Shein order arrived. My Shein order arrived, so we're just gonna do a little unboxing for that. Firstly, it's a bag. This is a bag. I like this bag because like it's just very simple, like it's nice, it's simple. But my mom was like, nah, you need to get like a gold bag because I'm not wearing anything that's black, but then most of my accessories are gold, so she just thought that I should just like wear a gold bag. I got these ear cuffs because I don't have piercings, so I just got ear cuffs for like here. Nails because my shoes are open. I got a bangle. I got earrings, like the cuffs, not like the
Nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to find it?
It does.
clip-ons, the clip-ons. I got the clip-ons, and then I got rings. I mean, you guys will get to see everything. I don't want to open everything. I want to open it like the day before or like the day I get ready. I got blue tape. I got nails because I can't do acrylic nails for MD because it's literally like 2 weeks before finals, and then yeah, and like we're not allowed to have nails, so I'm not gonna pay for acrylic for 1 week for them to last 1 week. No, that's for December. That's for December. Shoes. I don't know if I should open them. I got these shoes. I don't know if they're comfortable or not. I don't know. I just don't like heels. I don't wear heels. So this is like one of the only events where I'm going to be wearing these shoes or heels or anything. So I didn't want to go all out on something that I don't normally wear. Right here, I got this chocolate brown wig. It is beautiful and it feels so good. I actually felt it before because I was actually so excited and I needed to see, like, urgently. I needed to see. Wait, I got this like really beautiful crown because originally I wanted to create a headpiece. Like, I wanted someone to create like a headpiece for me, but then I was just like, where am I even gonna get somebody that's gonna make a good headpiece for me? Like, design the thing and make it look exactly how I wanted. So I just bought a crown because, yeah. And then I got this She Glam Sun-Kissed Body Highlighter. So it's basically like body glitter in the shade Medusa. This is what I'm excited to use. I'm not going to open it now. I don't want to open anything now. I genuinely do not want to open anything now. But I'm very excited. I'm very excited, to say the least. To say the least, I am very excited. So yeah, guys, today was just an empty day because I got my invitation and then I got my order, and now I can see basically where everything is going. Literally on Wednesday I'm going for like my dress. I'm gonna meet my designer and I'm gonna go for everything, so everything is becoming real. So yeah, I also really like this bag, so if I don't use it on the night, I will certainly be using it everywhere else for sure. I love carrying my handbags around. Like, I have like 2 bags, and yeah, I just love bags. They're just so cute. You see, my phone would fit in it. So yeah. Hey y'all, today is the 6th of September. I am going to my dress appointment. So basically, I'm meeting up with the designer, showing him my design, and then also getting like the fabric and the material and stuff. Yeah, I was actually supposed to go on Wednesday, which is why I did the whole get ready with me. And then my parents kind of told me only after I got ready, because I was home alone, so they didn't see me getting ready. And then they only told me when they got home, and they were like, oh no, we're not going today anymore, we're going on Saturday. So now we're going today. Yeah, I don't know what I should do. I'm wearing this sweater, a bodysuit, and then jeans and my boots. This is my 2023 sweater. I needed something warm to wear, and like, you know, PMB. I think we're gonna drop my sister off first at my grandparents' house, and then we're gonna hit there. Agak pasasap. Or like these ones. Tag. Hi guys, a quick talk. Today is the 1st of October, which means MD is tomorrow. So today, which means MD is tomorrow. I haven't spoken in my vlogs for a really long time. Like, you're gonna look at my one vlog, my life unscripted vlog, and I only noticed when I was editing that I was like not talking throughout. But anyways, we're back and we're better now. I'm getting ready to go for my pedicure and installation appointment, and then Tara and I are also gonna go shopping for like some of the things that we need. I went shopping yesterday as well, and I got a few things, but then there's still some things that I still need to get, so we just said we were gonna get them today. So yeah, I'm just getting ready, and then she's gonna pick me up, and then we're gonna go. Am I excited? I'm scared. I'm actually scared. I'm very scared. Don't have a car. Found out yesterday your girl doesn't have a car. Hey, yeah. And like, my skin has been very much, my skin has been not okay for the past couple of weeks. I think it's because of stress and trials, but I had these marks now on my face because I was actually getting stress pimples, and I was like picking at them. So now I have these little spots on my face, and I don't know what to do with them. But it's okay because I'm going to be putting makeup on, so I don't know. Like, it's not a serious matter, but it's just annoying because my skin isn't usually like this. So I'm still gonna put lip gloss on. No makeup today, just lip liner and mascara. Literally, my eyebrows are funky wonky. Everything, I'm just not. I'm not mentally prepared for this. Like, this whole entire time, I wasn't stressed at all. Like, yes, I was a bit excited, but then I always felt like there was always something bigger, like, trials and stuff. Because I was just like, yeah, you can't be focusing on things like that because you still have other things to deal with. But now this thing is tomorrow, and it's the only thing I'm dealing with at the moment, and now I'm just really starting to feel the pressure. I'm really starting to feel the pressure, but it's okay. Like, positive energy, positive vibes, positive thoughts. Okay, so I'm gonna put lip gloss on. I'm gonna wait for Tyra to tell me to start walking down, and then yeah.
A few moments later.
Let's go. I'm going down to Spa because that's where she's gonna pick me up. Yeah, we're running a bit late. Like, she only told me now because she was like, no, I'll tell you when to start walking, because for me it's just like a 15-minute walk. But then yeah, so let's go. Secure the bag. We're on our way. Ooh, we're on our way. For a little bestie thing. They must know. Look who's here.
Ariana, what are you doing here?
I got lashes. I'm thinking of getting lashes. I'm still gonna decide. And then I'm looking for a bonnet, a melting band, and other things, like things to like curl my hair with. So we're at this camp. We just got a brush. and the brushes here are quite pricey. You know, there was one that was 400 rand.
Forget the rollers, 5 rollers.
5 rollers for like 300 rand. Just Kim, baby.
Crazy.
Baby, my baby. What's you doing? Because this is my first time buying something from Discam with my own money. So now I know what my parents have been going through, because I am a Discam lover. But no.
Yeah, real.
But no. Oh, we're back at this. Oh, okay. Oh, heat protectant spray. I needed it.
I think that is not oil based because you don't want. Who's calling you? Not the price being 360 something. What the hell? What the hell? Anyway, that's crazy. Okay.
Bro, I'm
Just take this one down. Take this one. And check the price of the spray. How much is the spray?
It's 40 something. I'm leaving the spray.
Hey, we're leaving the spray. Let's take the brush. Let's go. We have places to be.
Let's go.
Okay, we have places to be. People to see. We're going to check out now. It's on promotion. Are you still gonna take it? So we're leaving Discam now. We are going to.
You are just got traumatized. I'm never spending my own money at this game.
Bro, we need to see.
We got two brushes. We got a brush and heat protectant, and then I thought the brush was like 54 rand. I thought the brush was 54 rand. We get to the price altogether it's 364. I'm like, no. I was like, no, it's not worth it. I was traumatized.
That's a lot of
I was traumatized. I was like,
we don't have that right now with us. You know, we haven't won the lottery.
it's not even about having it. It's about the fact that I can buy so much more with that money. We went back. We said cancel everything. We took it out because that was false pricing. That was propaganda at its base. Like that was propaganda, real propaganda. You told me because the price that you said 54 rand.
Crazy.
Price said 54 rand.
And it
Why am I
did.
getting? Why? We literally left the other brush because it was 59 rand, and then they were like, no, the price for this one is 54 rand. We get to the thingy. We get to the store. Tell me why. I'm seeing 3 digits. What I'm saying, the time has arrived.
Here's this one too. Here's this one. Getting the nails done. We are here.
You can't even see them. Okay, hi guys. I know that I said I'm getting an install today. I know that very well. Just got this. There was a change of plans. I just got this, and then I'm gonna do the install tomorrow. And then yeah. So when Tara and I went to the China shop, and this came. This is what I got, because I was the one who needed most of the stuff. She just asked her father to get her a few things because he was also going his own places, so she was like telling him what to get. So I got a bonnet, the one that you tie. It's like big. I wanted it for thingy. Oh, here are the nails. Love them, super cutesy. Oh, and I also said I'm getting a pedicure. I changed my mind, and then I got a manicure. So yeah. I got these rollers things for styling my hair. I got a melting band for literally once I'm done, so that I can keep it on while I'm getting ready and then take it off later. And then I got this wax stick. What else did I get? I feel like I got so much more than that. And then I went to Discam, and then I got this brush for the hair, right? Let me tell you the story about this brush. You guys pretty much saw it, né? I took this brush, and then there was another brush that was better than this one, and the price on it said like 54 rand. I took the brush, né? I took the other brush. I was like, yeah, let's take the 54 rand one. We go to the cashier. When I look at the screen, I see 364, like 364 on the screen. I'm like, no, there's no ways. I was like, I took it. I said, no, just take it back. I'm gonna go get the other one. And the guy there was trying to convince me, no, like it's on promotion. 360 rand on promotion. Keep your promotion. Promote yourself with that promotion. I was not about to go home with the 300 rand brush. So yeah, guys, let me eat because I am hungry. Your girl is hungry. Hey guys, it is 2 days after MD. I would have posted this, not posted, I would have filmed this video yesterday, but yesterday I was so tired. I think I took 3 naps yesterday. I was just out. So yeah, MD is over. Here's the bonnet. I love it. I really like it. I don't know what color it was. I just knew it was either pink, blue, or like a hot pink, a blue, or a purple. Like I couldn't see it from the outside, but then I'm satisfied with the color because I just bought a lot of blue things. But anyways, yesterday I spent all day just sleeping. I was like sleeping. I'd wake up and I'd sleep. I'd wake up and I'd sleep. I'd only wake up when I'm needed because I just had the worst headache. And oh, it was just bad. And even when I got home like for the MD, I got home at 11 because I was actually so tired, and everyone had gone to like their after parties and everything, and I already wasn't planning on going because I'm not the type of person to go out for a long period of time. So I was just like, yeah, I can't even be at a family function for more than that time. Like I'm always just gonna be out of it. So I didn't even attempt to speak to my parents about it. I even had the money for it, but like I was just like, no, let's not do that. Anyways, yeah. And then I got home at 11, and then I made TikToks just because I couldn't make enough TikToks on the day. I was like in a rush. So yeah, and then I made the TikToks. I posted 5 TikToks. I posted 2 transitions and just like 3 lip syncing videos, and one of my transitions is already at 500,000 views and like 90,000 likes. Crazy. And it had so many positive comments. Thank you, because I'm quick to delete. As soon as I see a negative thing, I'm very grateful. Let's see the state of this girl. Not as bad as I expected. I ran so many errands on the day of MD. I haven't gotten this mirror. It's so cute. I love the color, cause like it's white, and then my jewelry for MD was gold, so it's a white and gold frame. Nails, and then my dad also got a digital camera for my MD, but then it ran out of battery, so I didn't even take a single photo. It was hilarious, but like, yeah, he got a digital camera. That was very sweet. And then my aunt came. They surprised me. My mom said I didn't have an MD car, and I was like, what? And then I was stressing out about the whole car situation all day. I was stressing out until the car actually came, and I was like, oh, thank you. So yeah, I'm just glad. It's kind of bittersweet that everything is over, but now I don't have to stress about it. I kind of wish I didn't stress as much. That's advice for people who are still gonna have their MD. Don't stress too much. Like, it's literally just the entrance. After that, you're in a dark hall and just dancing. Nobody cares about anything. As long as you're having fun with your friends and the people that you love, that's all that matters. Yeah. And it's quite sunny outside, which I like. I actually like how sunny it is because I don't like the cold. And since I'm going to be out, I'd rather have it be sunny.
Inzipho.
Okay.
Inzipho.